Hi everyone, if you're new to the channel, my name is Ange and with my partner Chris and our son Oakley, we've been traveling full-time since 2020. We've just come back from 2 years in Europe where we've been overlanding in over 20 countries and now we're back in Australia. One thing we've been using ever since we left Sweden back in 2024 is an eSIM. So if you're not familiar with an eSIM, it's basically a digital SIM card that replaces or works in conjunction with your physical SIM card in your phone. So there are no more roaming fees involved. We don't have to go in a shop to buy an actual SIM card, or we don't have to order it online and wait to receive it in the mail. It's so much more simple and so much more instant than it used to be. We chose Holafly eSIM, which offers over 200 destinations with hotspot capabilities and unlimited data. So we chose Holafly for different reasons, the main one being the unlimited data they offer. We as overlanders rely on data every single day to find supermarket, petrol station, anything like a campsite, or using our apps to use our translation in a country that doesn't speak English. All those things add up on a daily basis and you don't want to have to worry about using too much data, about running out, checking how much data you've got left, especially as well if you're on a short holiday. Having unlimited data, in our opinion, is a must. We as well work from the road, so we need unlimited data to check our emails and as well upload our videos and photos on Instagram or YouTube. So all that adds up. And you'll be surprised actually how much data your phone is using in the background with your apps that you're not even using. Or as well, if you're just opening YouTube, for example, all the loading of the thumbnail or even Instagram, that takes so much data. So unlimited data is definitely the way to go nowadays. Another reason why we chose Holafly is the regional eSIM that they offer. They've got 15 of them. We used the Europe eSIM when we left Sweden, and it covers 33 countries, which gave us such great peace of mind. So as we were traveling through Sweden, Denmark, Germany, and carrying on, we didn't have to do anything. Basically, every time we crossed the border, our phone was changing to the new mobile provider from the new country, activating the data. So there was nothing that we had to do. We didn't have to stop to get a new eSIM, didn't have to worry if our plan changed, if we're crossing a border a bit earlier. That is such a game changer to actually have a regional eSIM. And then we switched to the global eSIM, which covers as well the Balkans as we were heading east. And then later on last year, we actually switched to the Holafly plans. So basically, if you travel longer than 30 days in a country or over different countries, this is definitely what you need. So you've got two options. You've got the light option, which offers 25 gig, and you've got the unlimited option, which is unlimited data. Both of them offer coverage in over 160 destinations. And basically both of them offer more hotspot capabilities. So with the 25 gig, you get 25 gig of hotspot capabilities, and unlimited, you can use hotspot as much as you want. So if you are working on the road like us, it's definitely a great bonus. I loved having the Holafly plan when we traveled back from Europe to Australia, because on the way we ended up doing a stopover in Singapore. I didn't have to do anything as well. It was covering Greece, where we took off from, all the way to Singapore, and then arriving in Australia, we used our plane extensively in Adelaide and Perth, where we did some renovation on our truck and our camper. Another reason we chose Holafly is the great reviews we could find online. We even had some friends that were using it and were recommending it to us. So we can happy as well safely recommend it to you. You can have a look as well on Trustpilot. They do have a lot of other great reviews. So now I can actually safely share my feedback with you after more than 2 years using it. The first thing I'd like to say is it is really easy to use. So basically when you purchase it either on the app or if you purchase the eSIM on the website, you basically receive an email instantly, and it's really easy to use. You get the QR code that you can scan or enter manually, and it just takes not even 30 seconds to get installed in your phone, and you get instant connectivity. You don't have to activate it straight away when you purchase it. You can activate it the day before you travel, which I recommend, so that you get internet as soon as you land in the new country. Another thing just to note as well with the Holafly eSIM is to make sure your phone is compatible, although now most phones are, so you can check the website. They also have a step-by-step guide in case you need more help to install the eSIM. Another thing as well to note with Holafly is you can select the exact number of days that you would like to pay for your eSIM. So you don't have to stick to a preset number of days package where you will end up paying for too many days or not having enough. So that is a really good thing. If you do have a physical SIM card in your phone, you can still keep it. We do use as well still a physical SIM card. So for example, when we left Sweden, we still have our Swedish SIM card in our phones that we were just topping up just a little bit of money, like €5 here and there, just enough so that if we needed to make a phone call or send a text, like for example, even like call a campsite, make sure they have availability, we could do it, because the Holafly eSIM does not have phone or text. But what we did to keep in touch with our friends and family and have like long phone calls, we were using our WhatsApp. We could make video calls with our unlimited data with our Holafly eSIM. Another thing to note as well is in Europe, we did have hotspots. So we had 1 gig per day per person, which was enough to do some admin work on our computers, but that wasn't enough to do any social media work on our computers. So we could use either our phones, or otherwise actually subscribing to the Holafly plans was great, because then we could use unlimited data and unlimited hotspots, and you get no commitments, no locking contract with the Holafly plans. So you can basically subscribe for 1 or 2 months, cancel it, and then reactivate it at a later date. You don't have to be locking into anything. Something new as well that Holafly has recently launched is Always On. So basically, if your unlimited data eSIM, short trip or plan has expired, or if you're stuck in a long layover, or if your flight has been cancelled, you now basically have 1 gig of free data with no extra cost every 30 days. It resets automatically if you're on a plan. It gets coverage in more than 150 destinations. So basically now, Holafly gives you even more peace of mind. So you are never stranded in the middle of nowhere with basically no internet at all. So if you're traveling overseas very soon, I highly recommend you check out Holafly eSIM website. Being if you travel from multiple countries, multiple continents, or even over 30 days, there will be an option for you. We've got a discount code, THEOUTFIT, that will give you a little discount at the checkout, so don't forget to add that. I'll put the link in the description. And thank you so much for watching. Hope you got something from this video, and I'm happy to answer any question down in the comments below. See you on the next one.